Diko Graphics skills with creativity.
Please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and click the bell to be notified when we post new videos.
Yeah, welcome back, guys. How are you doing today? Right now I want to show you how you can make a business flyer on your Android smartphone using your Pixellab. Without wasting much of our time, let's get started. The first thing, I'm going to my gallery to import the element I want to use. For instance, I'm using this particular element, and as you can see, this is the element I want to use. So I'm heading to my gallery and import all the elements one after the other. So for instance, after that, I'm going here, importing this, and this will be here. So after positioning it here, I have something to do with it. I'm going to reduce the opacity a little bit to 70 or 71. Have it lock. Then we'll go back to our gallery. We are going to import all the elements one after the other. So I'm bringing this in, and just bring this in. Okay, cool. So after bringing it in, then you reduce the opacity. Let it just be showing like this. Then we have it lock as well. We'll go back to gallery. Then let's import this. Then after importing this, we still need to go to gallery and import this, which you can see. Then we're going to interchange. Then we'll have the two lock. Then let me go to gallery again, where we'll have this particular one. Just have it positioned here. Very cool. Then we'll go back to gallery. The second one will have it positioned. We'll go back to gallery. Then let's bring all this. Okay. Then what we are going to do now, we're going to reduce the opacity, just as this. So what we're going to do next, we're going to go to gallery. Then we have this second being imported, where we have something like this. Then after that, we'll go to opacity, reduce, and everything is actually plumb to 30. Then we'll lock everything. Okay, good. So after locking them, we're going to adjust this a bit. So let it come out a bit. So after making it come out, we click OK. Now the next thing we're going to do, we're going to bring this particular image. So position the image like this. So I'm going to, this need to come out. Yeah, let it come to the front, just as perfect as this. Then the next thing we're going to do, everything is actually plumb, very okay. So now the next thing we're going to do, we bring down our logo. Sorry, we bring the logo. So let's bring the social media and all the social media icon. Then after bringing it, we'll position it at the middle, of this. We have it lock as well. So we go back to our gallery, where we'll have something like this. Okay, sorry.
Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon.
So we have, I'm going to bring the logo, which we need to put. Okay. So we're going to position the logo here, which you can see Diko Graphics. Or we show the whole thing. Take it for instance, we show the whole thing. So we position it here. After position, we can go to mask. Then we use the mask to cut out everything. Okay, cool. So now we'll have the logo being positioned here, as you can see, and everything is actually plumb. So after positioning the logo here, make sure it's really low. We're going to lock it as well. So after that, let's go to the text area where we have len. We say len. So when we have len, let's see whether we can maintain the font. Len. So under the len where we have this, we have len. Let's reduce the size small. Reduce the size small. So I'm going to the font now to see whether I can see a font that will actually go for it. So let's check at this is too. So let's look at the let's look at the railway or Matizera font. So let's see Len Graphics, which you can see Len Graphics. So the next one will just be with us. So we have this. So Len Graphics with us. This is how it will be. So we need to now use a better font and make it more okay. So I'm going there. So this should be okay. So let have all this being deleted. So let's use something like 70. Okay. After using 70, we space a bit. Then after that, the next thing we're going to do, we'll shift it to this area where we'll have copy graphics. Then we'll space it. Turn on the grid just as a kind of a demarcation so that you can fulfill the principle of alignment. So you align to the left. So let it reach the block. So we have graphics. Okay. Then we are going to copy with us. So that should be here. Okay, good. Now the space in between is actually okay like that. So now that we have that, the next thing we're going to do, since we have this, let's go to bold. Let's see, we can take it and it's actually okay. So we can increase this a bit or leave it. It depends. So I'm thinking of increasing it to 80.
Don't forget to hit the subscribe
If you
button
have
and the
this
bell
80,
icon.
then it's okay. Now after making it 80, we can move it up. Then we can increase this as well if we want to 75, while this one carries 76 or 75, depend. So we have this. Okay, good. So after we're able to do that, I'm going to the text area, paste the text I have. Do you want to expand your creative skills in? So everything we just so it will just be like in graphics, in graphic course, and in a globally recognized certificate. So we have in graphics. So now that we have it, we just need to reduce the size, and that should be on the straight line. So we have something like this. Then we are following the principle. So which means after having this, the next thing we're going to do is this. So the next thing we'll do is this. After we will look at what we write, do you want to expand your creative skills in graphics? Graphics course. So we have to skills in graphics course, which you can see. Then and earn a globally recognized certificate in graphics. Then a globally recognized certificate. That's question mark. So which you can see. So we have to increase the size a bit, but we turn on our grid and make sure that it shouldn't exceed this. So we'll look at it from the beginning exactly like this, measure, then we'll put it at the edge. So after that we increase the size here. You can increase the size here. It shouldn't be too, let's say 18. So it's okay. It's okay. So after that we are going to give a spacing between. So let there be space. So here too, let there be space by 1, 2. So we have 1, 2. Then the space here is actually okay. So we have length. Okay, good. So after that we can off the grid. Then we have what we want to put there. So let's say for instance we have this. That's our front. Then we'll copy. We'll have edit. So we have dikographic.com.ng. So we have this. Then we can actually leave a space. Turn on your grid. Let it stand from that wall. You can see. So we'll go to, we increase. So very good. Then we can change when we have this, we can go to 20. Go to the color, apply color. Come here, apply color. We'll come here individually. We apply color to it as well. This one we apply color. Then the graphics, we are going to apply color. Now everything is already plumb, and as you can see, this is just a very simple way. So we'll go to the graphics area. We have this being changed. So let's change this. So we'll make it very obvious somehow. So let's have this change. Then we can look at it and guess how it is. So when you look at it very well, the space in between is not really enough. So what we're going to do is just bring this one down a bit. Then we can have this at once. Then again. So now that one can give us opportunity to create a space. Okay, good. The graphics, so the space. Okay, when we look at it, the space shouldn't be too much too. So unlock the graphics so that we see. Okay, so when we look at it, this is okay. It's actually okay like this. And this is just a simple way how you can come up with this business flyer on your Android smartphone using your Pixellab. So when you look at it, very cool, and everything is awesome. So we can come here, have it reduce if we want. So you can see that's 17. Then let's turn on our grid to measure. So everything the lens should go to the wall a bit. So the rest are so okay, and everything is perfect. And as you can see, this is just a tips, simple way how you can come up with a particular design like this. So I want to just added some things to make it more workable. So for instance, let's go with this. So I'm thinking of, so not needed. So this is just a simple way how you can come up with this particular design. I believe we'll learn something from here. Thanks for watching. So let's just I'm thinking of adjusting this. Sorry. Okay, so I want to shift this inside. Okay, good. So when you look at it, everything is actually plumb, and this is just a simple way of making such a design. Thanks for watching. May God bless us. Make sure you save with Ultra as a dimension and PNG format, not to lose the quality. Thanks for watching once again.